Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be installing a wig from Megalook hair. Inside the package, I received a drawstring bag with lashes, an edge brush, wig cap, and some more stuff. The wig that I'll be installing is a 13x4 26-inch wig. As you guys can see, this wig came colored already. It has the Oreo themed color and it came pre-curled. Some of the curls came out because I had to bleach and pluck the hairline of the frontal. For this install, my client will be doing a side part with some natural baby hairs. So right now I'm just positioning the wig where it fits her head best. Once you have the wig positioned exactly where you want it, you can then proceed with making a dotted line so you can know where to place your glue. For each install, I use 3 thin layers of glue. Once the first layer is clear, that means that it is completely dried and you can then place your second layer down. You shouldn't wait too long between placing the layers on top of each other because you want it to still be sticky. When I'm placing the lace into the glue, I make sure to place the middle part down first and stretch the lace as much as I can so it doesn't have any rolls in it. When I'm placing the side of the lace down, I try to stretch it behind my client's ear as much as possible so that the sides doesn't have any rolls in it. You'll see a better angle on the next side. As you guys can see, when the lace is cut, it doesn't blend with my client's skin complexion, so I will be using my Ruby Kiss makeup to place on top of the lace so it can blend better. Now that all the lace is cut off, I'm going to use my Ruby Kiss number 15 and place it on top of the lace so it can blend better with my client's skin complexion. Once I've covered all the areas of the lace that need makeup, I'm going to use my bed head holding spray and spray it across the lace before placing the band down. For this install, I'll be using Got2b Free Spray and Got2b Gel to do the baby hairs. So instead of removing the band and doing the edges, I'll be styling the hair first. I already did the baby hairs on the other side, so for a better angle, I'm showing you guys how I do the baby hairs on the side that the side part is on. So the first thing that I do is cut the baby hairs in a diagonal line, and next I'll be curling them with my red pencil flat iron. When I'm doing the baby hairs, I like to use the smaller side of the edge brush because I feel like it makes it easier for the baby hairs to curl. I used some of the Got2b Free Spray and sprayed it on the edge of the comb, and now I'm just combing it through the baby hairs while styling them. I realized that when I use Got2b Free Spray to style the baby hairs, I have to do it right the first time because if I keep combing through the baby hairs, it'll start lifting up as you guys see at the beginning. So now I'm just using the Got2b Gel to hold the baby hairs down and go over them. Before hot combing, I used some Biosilk and placed it on top of the frontal so it can be sleek and in place when I hot comb it. As you guys can see at the front of the lace, it is still somewhat visible, so I will be using the same angled brush and the darker side of number 15 and just placing it at the edge of the lace so it can blend better. I'll be using my finger to kind of smoothen the makeup so it'll be a better match. This is the ending result of this install. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you guys have any questions. Continue watching for more clips of the finished look.